Hi learners, welcome back to the English language key. Today we are unlocking one of the most powerful tools in English, imperative sentences. They are everywhere in daily life when we give commands, make polite requests, or share helpful suggestions. In this lesson, we will explore the three types of imperative with clear examples, quick quizzes, and fun practice so you will never be confused again. Stick with me till in the end, and you will not only understand imperatives but you will also know how to use them confidently in your conversation. So let's dive in and open the door to better English together. What is imperative sentences? Why use imperative sentences? The sentence type used to tell someone to do something with different level of force or politeness. Usually, imperative sentences can be categorized into three main sections: commands, requests, and suggestions. Commands means direct orders. Request means polite imperatives. Suggestions means mild imperatives. How to identify imperative sentences? The first one, commands. By tone. Tone is very strong, direct, and authoritative. Often negative, don't or urgent. No softening words like please or let's. Here are some examples. Close the door. Don't touch that. Sit down. If the sentence sounds like an order or instruction, it is command. The second one is request. Tone is polite, softer than a command. Often includes polite words like please, kindly, could you. Sometimes phrased like a question, but is still imperative in function. Examples: please open the window. Could you pass me the salt? Kindly listen to me. If the sentence asks politely instead of ordering, it is a request. The third one, suggestions or invitations. Tone is very friendly, encouraging, proposing action together. Often is starts with word let's. Can sound like encouragement. Try this, have some, join us, like this. Example: let's go for a walk, have some coffee, join us for lunch. If the sentence is inviting or proposing, it is a suggestion. That's all for the imperative sentences lesson. Use this easy formula to separate them. Now you can see some common examples here. Please look at it carefully, identifying its differences. You can use the imperative sentences quiz task link in the description below to check and optimize your knowledge, and also refer to the imperative sentence spoken practice lesson to have a better experience. Keep in mind, please like, comment, and subscribe to the English language key and stay with us. Have a nice day.